In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable order notifications in Shopify. Order notifications are important because they help you and your team respond quickly when a new order comes in. Instead of checking your admin all day, Shopify can send an alert to the right people automatically. This is especially helpful if you have multiple staff members or if you fulfill orders from more than one location. To get started, sign in to your Shopify admin. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps most of the store-wide options, including checkout, payments, and notifications. Once you are in Settings, go to the sidebar menu and select Notifications. This area controls the emails and alerts that Shopify sends out, both to customers and to your internal team. For order alerts to staff, you will be working in the Staff Notification settings. Inside Notifications, find and click Staff Order Notifications. This section is specifically for choosing who gets notified when an order is placed, and it is separate from customer order confirmation emails. Next, locate the Recipients section. This is the list of people who will receive staff order notifications. To add someone new, click Add Recipient. When you do this, Shopify will let you choose how that person is identified for notifications. Now choose an email address or select a staff member from the drop-down menu. If you select a staff member, Shopify will use the email connected to that staff profile. Make sure the email you choose is actively monitored, especially during your fulfillment hours, so orders do not get missed. After choosing the recipient, select the location you want these notifications tied to, if your store uses multiple locations. This setting matters because it helps ensure the right team gets the alert for the right place, such as a specific warehouse or retail location. Once you have added the recipient and selected the location, your staff order notifications are enabled for that recipient. Repeat the same process if you need to notify more than one person. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.